Hey guys, and welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can cancel a payment on Chime. So let's get started. So first, it's important to understand that not all Chime transactions can be canceled. Only certain types allow it. If you've sent a payment to someone who is not a Chime user, you can cancel it because they have 14 days to claim the funds by entering their debit card information. After that time, if they don't claim it, the transaction is automatically canceled and the money is returned to your Chime account. After that, open your Chime app and go to the Pay section. Then check for any pending transactions. If a cancel payment option appears, simply tap it to stop the transfer. And then if you've made a transfer from Chime to an external bank account using HE, you may also be able to cancel it, but only if it's still pending. These transfers usually take 1 to 3 business days, so always review your transaction history in the app. Once a payment has been processed or completed, it unfortunately cannot be canceled through the app. If you're unsure or dealing with a specific issue, the best step is to contact Chime customer support at 844-244-6363, explain your situation politely, and they'll guide you on the right solution. And that's it. Now you know how to cancel a Chime payment if it's still pending or unclaimed. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.